In this video, I will show you how to fix slow performance issue after update on Windows 10 and 11. If your Windows PC is running slow after an update, try clearing the Windows Update cache. So the first thing that you can do is to clear Windows Update cache. To do that, go ahead and search for CMD in this section and open this as an administrator. Now once the CMD pops up on your screen, type in the text that you can find in this note. Make sure to enter each of this one at a time. After you enter this on the command prompt, go ahead and restart your computer. Now, if this doesn't work for your device, what you can do next is to update drivers. Outdated drivers or corrupted drivers can lead to performance problems. So to be able to do that, go ahead and open your device manager. So go ahead and search for the device manager on the start menu, expand each category and check for any devices with a yellow exclamation mark. Right click on the device and select update driver. Choose search automatically for drivers or browse my computer for driver. And that is how you can basically fix a Windows PC running slow after an update. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.